Hello dear friends, today we're gonna heat press this shirt and we're gonna use one of the transfers that I got from Transfer Express. So we are going to thread our shirt. You're gonna open it, and as you know, I'm using my A to C. We're gonna pull it till the color drops off. And we're gonna make sure it's straight. And that looks straight to me. We are going to preheat to remove any moisture or wrinkles. And since this is the first shirt, I'm gonna preheat for 15 seconds. We're gonna be using this Ultra Color Soft. And we wanted 3 fingers of the color. So I will say right there. And we just gotta make sure it's straight. And that looks pretty straight to me. So we are going to go ahead and set and heat it up. Ultra Color Soft is at 290 for 12 seconds. Press is at 306. When you use Ultra Color Soft, you have to use a cover sheet. And Ultra Soft is a cold peel. So this shirt is ready. We're gonna set it aside while we work in the next shirt. Okay, so this is cold, so we're gonna peel it off and see how it turned out. Okay, so this is good. The only thing right here, it's stacked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna heat it up for 10 seconds, and that should be good. Okay, and that took care of it. So it's good right now. And this is the final result.